Hi guys, David here from the Property Centre, and I'm here to present to you this 2-bedroom newly refurbished flat in the Bower area of Bridgwater. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So there we are guys, that was the 2-bedroom refurbished flat in the Bower area of Bridgwater. If you do like the look of the property and are interested in arranging a viewing or making an application, or indeed if you have your own property you'd like a valuation on, please don't hesitate to contact us at the office.